Originally somewhat of a skeptic, Jeremy Corbell was asked to document a surgical procedure by the now late Dr. Roger Lehr, a pediatric surgeon and alien implant specialist. Lehr was going to remove a mysterious object from the man's leg. Corbell was curious, so he agreed to film it, and it's all documented in his new film Patient 17. What he witnessed made him feel that, however outrageous they may sound, claims of off-world implants and alien abductions clearly necessitate serious investigation. Why? The object removed from Patient 17 was unusual in appearance, and Lehr sent it to a New Hampshire lab for testing. The reports found that it contained rare earth elements, some even toxic to the human body. Even more compelling, it seemed to emit electromagnetic frequencies, indicating that the object could be some kind of communication or tracking device. Corbell admits he felt some of the equipment was mishandled, which could have caused the blips Lehr detected from the object prior to the elemental analysis. So his skepticism was still holding firm until the lab tested the object using isotopic analysis. Isotopes are variations in elements. The number of protons is the same, but the number of neutrons varies, creating stable and radioactive versions of elements. For example, the atomic bomb could only be created when scientists were able to isolate one uranium isotope from the rest. The isotopic analysis the lab performed dropped a different kind of bomb. The lab reports showed ratios far beyond terrestrial ratios known on Earth. Dr. Roger K. Lehr, author of The Aliens and the Scalpel 1st and 2nd edition, UFO Crash in Brazil, Casebook Alien Implants, Chopped Liver, and 3 other books published outside the United States, including Implantes Alienígenas published in Portuguese in Brazil, and OVNIs and Implants published in France by Le Mercure Dauphinois. It has been said that Dr. Lehr is one of the world's most important leaders in physical evidence research involving the field of ufology. He and his surgical team have performed 15 surgeries on alleged alien abductees. This resulted in the removal of 16 separate and distinct objects suspected of being alien implants. These objects have been scientifically investigated by some of the most prestigious laboratories in the world, including Los Alamos National Labs, New Mexico Tech, SEAL Laboratories, Southwest Labs, the University of Toronto, York University, and the University of California at San Diego. Their findings have been baffling, and some comparisons have been made to meteorite samples. In addition, some of the tests show metallurgical anomalies such as highly magnetic iron that is without crystalline form, combinations of crystalline materials mixed common metals, growth of biological tissue into or out of metallic substances, as well as isotopic ratios not of this world. Dr. Lehr has also been involved in investigations of other areas of ufology involving physical evidence. He has traveled to Brazil and performed exhaustive research into the Varginha, Brazil case. In 2003, Dr. Lehr worked with one of the world's leading geneticists and the National Institute for Discovery Science, NIDS, on a DNA study pertaining to evidence collected in a famous California alien abduction case. Dr. Lehr was a recent participant, November 2007, in an international press conference held at the National Press Club in Washington, D.C. Evidence from 13 military officers, pertaining to their experiences with UFOs, was presented to a worldwide media.